All right, we're at the top of Dirty Harry for a little GoPro course preview of round 2 of the JH Downhill Championship. Let's get it. Starts off pretty mellow, some nice berms and views. Little double. All right, dropping into the goods. Skipper jumps. Woo! Now we're into the tack. Woo. A few line choices here. Just stick to the main one. Now we're getting into the steeps. Running pretty loose. Inside line here. Oh. Flat, rough, brutal. Ease off a little bit. Some loose corners today. One more loose corner for now. Whew. Chill a little bit. Deep dark woods, better dirt. Around the tree. Oh, and we're wide. Out into the open. Here's where it gets really loose. Whew. And the hardest corners coming up. Try and set up a little for it. Dive in, stay on trail. Whew. Dusty brakes are squealing. All right, that's the end of the steeps. Going into the rock drop. Woo! Little tire buzz. Tucking. Road gap. Ah, flat corner. Hold it. All right, and the last rock garden. Ah! Oh, that's hectic. There you go. Dirty Harry.